Hi, this is Myung. I'm a SAP Business One certified consultant. Today I'll go through how we schedule DTW. Sometimes we want to process DTW at midnight unattended. For testing purposes, I'll be using AR invoice file, header, and line records. First, you have to open up the DTW, then we go next. Then it's a transaction file, add new data, sales, invoice. I have a text file, header file. I have a line file. So we have to importing, when you're importing documents, you always have to importing header and line items. That's, you should know that already. Go next, next, next. Then here we have a save. You have to click save here, and what it does, it will create DTW schedule, whatever file name, that it will create XML file, whatever you put it in directory, then it's been saved. It's all done. Now we can import it. It's just, we made some error. I don't care for errors now, but that's not the purpose of this. Okay, then what you have to do, then you go to, this is the XML file being created when you save it. So it gives you a manager username and password, and also it gives you a database where you're importing into. So you can change this database name later if you're trying to put it on the, maybe you test it in test environment and go into production file, then just change the company name. Then what you do here also, there's two lines for documents header and document line file, line records. So this is something, if you change the file name, a different file name, you can change it here. Header text, maybe you change the header 1 or header 2. And also line text file is the same thing. So there's two lines. This is the XML file being created when you saved it. So now we have to execute this. We don't have to close it. Now we have to make a batch file to execute these batches. Where is my batch file? I put that in. Let's see. Okay, this is the batch file. It's hard to read, so I put it on Excel sheets. So this is the same line. So you have to first you have to find the folder where DTW.exe file is at. It should be a program files app data transfer workbench. Then there's DTW.exe there, right? So you have to execute this program first, DTW, and make sure you put /s, -s, and also make sure put a double quotes on the folder name, because if you have a space here, a batch file, it cannot be executed. So make sure put a double quotes here and put DTW and -s. Then after that, you put the file name, XML file name. This is XML file. So this is where the XML file is at, what we just created. So this is the batch file. Make sure the file extension has to be on BAT, because that's the batch file for DOS, for command prompt. Now we made this batch file, then next thing you do, you go to task scheduler on your Windows, task scheduler, create basic task, and whatever task name, DTW schedule, DTW, you can put anything on it. Then you can schedule it daily, weekly, or monthly, or just one time only too. Then next, then you put a time, what time you're going to process this. You can change the time. Then next, start a program. Then this is it. Property, and we have to find where the batch file is at. So let's see, ER&P, DTW, schedule. I have a batch file here, so this file to be executed. Next, this done. So what you do, if you put up 12 o'clock every night, it will process the DTW 12 o'clock at midnight. And after that, when in the morning, you have to make sure that everything ran okay. That's how you can go into log manager to make sure this program ran okay. It's failed or scheduled or success. So if it's failed, you have to run it again something. This will conclude today's session, and if you need any system consultation, and I'll be happy to help you, and you can call me anytime. And our rate is very reasonable. Please call us.